Today, I'm taking on the challenge of using AI to create a side hustle from scratch with zero experience. Let's see if I can actually make some money. AI is a game changer for side hustles because it's accessible to everyone, no matter their background or skills. With AI, you can automate and simplify tasks, making it easier to earn money online without needing to be an expert. One of the biggest obstacles people face when starting a side hustle is thinking they need specialized skills like writing or programming to succeed. But with AI, you can skip a lot of the learning curve and start right away. Another challenge is finding time to dedicate to a side hustle. Between work, family, and other responsibilities, it can seem impossible to take on something new. But AI lets you work on your own schedule, automating tasks and freeing up more time for other things. A lot of people also think they need a big budget to start, but that's not true. You can start small with AI and grow as you earn more without having to invest a lot up front. Some people are simply intimidated by the idea of starting a side hustle, thinking it's too complicated or competitive. AI breaks the process down into smaller, manageable tasks, making it less overwhelming. There are plenty of AI tools and platforms to help you get started. For instance, you can use AI writing tools to generate content or design tools for professional graphics. AI-powered virtual assistants can handle tasks like email management, letting you focus on growing your hustle. One popular option is using AI for transcription services. With AI, you can automatically transcribe audio and video files and sell the transcripts, making it a simple and low-risk side hustle. Another great option is AI-powered affiliate marketing tools. These help you find profitable products, create marketing content, and optimize campaigns for better returns. You can even use AI to create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or software. AI tools make it easy to generate content, design sales pages, and even automate the sales process. I recently met someone who started selling online courses with the help of AI-powered research and marketing tools. They knew nothing about the topic a year ago, but AI helped them create and promote their courses, earning thousands in sales. Now, they've quit their full-time job and focus on their side hustle. The main takeaway is that AI can empower anyone to start a side hustle, no matter their experience. With the right tools and mindset, you can automate tasks, make extra money, and even build a full-time income. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on AI side hustles in the comments. And if you're looking for more tips on making money online, check out my other videos for more inspiration.